Good evening, my dear friends in profession. Namaste. It is truly said, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Arpit Sikri, currently working as Associate Professor in the Department of Prosthodontics, Bhojia Dental College, Baddi in Himachal Pradesh, India. I had earlier worked as senior resident in the most prestigious institute of the country, that is the Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi. I had also worked as a senior lecturer in Santosh Dental College, Santosh deemed to be University, Ghaziabad, UP, and even in Sudha Rustagi College of Dental Sciences and Research, Faridabad, Haryana. I am actively associated as a consultant prosthodontist in Dr. Sikri's multi-speciality dental center in Amritsar, Punjab. Well, moving down the memory lane, I still remember my childhood had been quite memorable and happening. I would say my childhood had been the best moment of my life. I still remember the kind of sacrifices made by my parents for giving me the best future. My school, and in particular, my teachers, rather, I would say my second parents, have played a vital role in instilling positive moral values and, in fact, reshaping my personality. I would say I was lucky enough to get good, rather the best of the best friends in my life. I still remember my favorite books and games. Conclusively, I would say my childhood had been the golden period of my life. Well, talking about the best part of my life, I remember when I became father of a daughter. I would say that's the most excellent, overwhelming, and the best feeling one can have. And also, the worst part of my life, I still remember I was waiting for my pre medical entrance test result, and I had huge expectations from me that I would definitely crack MBBS. But later, I couldn't crack MBBS and I got admission in BDS. So, it is rightly said, time is the best healer, the best doctor, and the best medicine. Later, after getting admission in BDS, I realized that BDS or dentistry is the best profession, and I made dentistry my passion. Now, at this forefront, I would like to salute all the dental surgeons across the globe. A very common question asked is why you chose dentistry as your career. That reminds me of a quote by JP Morgan who says, a person can do anything because of two reasons, a good reason and a real reason. There is no single reason, but there are a couple of reasons why I chose dentistry as a career. Well, to serve the community for the community benefit, to serve the needy and the poor people, transforming lives of my patients in a positive way, to have lifelong relationships with my patients. I still remember since the inception of my undergraduate times and still now, I am actively in touch with all my patients to have a flexible lifestyle. I love to maintain a perfect balance between the personal and the professional life. Rather, I love to spend time with my family apart from the profession. I'm a firm believer of the word team. Together, everyone achieves more. I love to work in a team. I'm a strong believer of the fact that dentistry demands or dentistry is a perfect blend of hard and the soft skills. You know, not only need the effective communication, but apart from that, one needs to be really skillful. My passion for research, my passion for academics, apart from being a clinician, made me choose dentistry as a career. Last but not the least, for the professional status and the recognition. Talking about the role model in my life, my father, Dr. Vimal Sikri, a distinguished, an eminent, a prominent figure in the field of dentistry across the globe, is my role model. Rather, I would say he is the most influential person of my life. Of lately, I feel I'm trying to become role model for others. My parents have played a pivotal role in my professional life since they themselves are dental professionals. I remember they have always helped me out in career guidance, decision making, and always ensured that I get success, happiness, and rather the best in life. There are a couple of things I value the most. Starting from the God, everything I value or treasure is because of the Almighty. My family, it's everything to me. My teachers for making me what I am today. My friends for standing with me in my good and even in my tough times. My students for updating me every day. To respect, respond, and not to react. To be a patient listener, to forgive others, and not to judge others. Coming on to the dentistry punch. A very common question asked in this era by the young professionals: am I on the road of success or just in a blind tunnel? This question clearly depicts that the budding dental professionals are in a state of huge dilemmas, confusions, and rather in a state of conundrum. My few motivational and guiding words for them: please stop comparison with the other fields, with the other professionals. Please stop thinking what is gonna happen in the future. Rather, please stop thinking what happened in the past. You do well whatever you are in the present. Make good efforts, work hard in the present. Dentistry is a perfect combination of artistic, business, clinical, engineering skills as well as medicine. Don't run after money. Follow dentistry as a passion. And definitely I'll tell you friends that money is gonna follow you one day. Be focused. Whatever you are doing, don't feel or don't follow people who are just switching their jobs and moving abroad. Be positive. I am not telling you about the blood group. Friends, you have to be positive. Don't listen. Rather, please avoid and ignore people who are derogatory for the profession. Try to make a perfect balance in your personal and professional life. Although I know it's very easy to say, but it's very difficult to perform. But try to make a perfect balance. It takes a lot of time to build your name and fame. So you need to have a lot of patience. Never sit idle. Do whatever you want to do. Just find out whatever your interests are. Whether it's academics, it's research, it's clinics. Just foresee your interest and definitely plunge into it and have success. I would say dentistry, as a dental surgeon, you have a broad horizon to work. It's such a huge domain. We are working on not one, but 32 teeth. So friends, be updated with the recent technological advancements occurring in dentistry. In the epilogue, I would like to say that if you are a good dental surgeon, there is always a place for you. I would say raising the Indian dentistry requires a holistic approach. Importantly, oral health awareness, creating mass campaigns to create positive oral health awareness not only among the patients, but even among the dental professionals. Quackery. I strictly feel that government should take necessary steps to admonish the practice of roadside dentistry. The dental insurance for the patients, particularly the patients who can't bear much cost. So obviously that matter government can take some good steps in implementing the dental insurance for the patients. And not only this, in addition to this, I would say the indemnity insurance for the dental professionals. Job opportunities. I know that definitely the higher authorities, the government needs to take adequate steps in creating more jobs for the oral health professionals. The dental practice, I feel if I said one needs to be updated, I feel that as a dental professional, we should be updated with the management skills, I would say rather the marketing skills. If you need to be a good dental professional, a good dental clinician, I would say this is a time where even a patient sees and comes to you if you are a specialist. So they value the specialization. So practicing the referral practice, the consultations, or calling a consultant to your clinic or vice versa, and practicing the specialized dentistry is gonna be a more better approach. Rather, I would say group practices can also be taken into account. Conclusively, I would say the future of Indian dentistry is in the hands of budding dental professionals. You are the torch bearers of our society. At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Yesh Sharma, the director and the founder, and the whole team of Next Gen for doing an excellent job and actively contributing to our esteemed profession with the latest updates, techniques, and advancements. It's really good to see that they are helping the professional colleagues to share their views for the betterment of the profession. Not only this, they are also recognizing the outstanding contribution of the dental professionals through the Dental Excellence Awards is another noteworthy contribution by the team. I would like to convey my sincere congratulations to the whole team for doing an exemplary contribution and exemplary job for our esteemed profession. Please accept my heartiest best wishes for all the future endeavors. My kudos, my salutations to the whole team, rather my Next Gen family. A small dedication to the team Next Gen with a quote. Combining together is the beginning. Keeping together is the progress, and working together is the success. So at last, I would say that as you all know, that we are in the tough, tragic, and the unprecedented times of COVID. And there has been a recent resurgence of the COVID cases. So I would urge you, rather sincerely request you to please take care of yourself and your family members, your near and dear ones. Please stay safe, healthy, happy, peaceful, and prosperous. Thank you so much.